In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your form guide in HubSpot. When someone says form guide in HubSpot, they are referring to a unique identifier tied to one specific form. This is useful when you are troubleshooting a form, sharing it with a developer, or matching the correct form to an embed on a website. I will show you two reliable places to find it: in the page URL and inside the embed code. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to the main navigation. From the top menu, select Marketing. Under Marketing, go to Lead Capture, and then click Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard, where all of your forms are listed. Next, find the form you need in the list. If you have many forms, take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct one by checking the name carefully. Then click the name of the form to open it. This will bring you into the form editor, where you can view and manage the form settings and fields. Now look at your browser's address bar at the top of the page. In the URL, you will see a section that includes the word Forms. The form GUID is the alphanumeric string that appears after forms. It is typically a long combination of letters, numbers, and dashes. Make sure you copy the entire string exactly as it appears. If you miss a character, it may not work when someone tries to reference it later. If you prefer to pull the identifier from the embed details, go back to the form editor and look to the top right. Click Embed. A panel will open with embed options and a code snippet you can use on a website. In that snippet, find the value labeled formid. Copy the formid value, which will match the unique identifier for that form. As a quick tip, paste the GUID or formid into a plain text editor before sharing it, so you can confirm there are no extra spaces or missing characters. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.